Hi guys, I'm Igor. I provide market commentary before market opens and my stock picks and option picks for the day. Today is January 27th, 2020, and here's what's happening. There are two bad news on that is hitting this market. Actually, two bad news last weekend. First of all, there were 81 confirmed deaths related to coronavirus, and there were 2,800 over 2,800 cases of coronavirus in China. So the second one is that there was a crash, helicopter crash with Kobe Bryant and his daughter on board, and all people on board were killed. So that's very sad news. As Kobe Bryant was my favorite, was one of my favorite players in the NBA. So anyway, going back to the market and the corona market fears, the corona virus fears are spreading, and this could become a global epidemic actually, but it's not called a global epidemic yet, though China is trying to handle and contain the virus, but this is not. They're not doing that well actually, in my opinion. But just recently, we had the fifth case in the United States that was diagnosed with coronavirus, and that's sending fears to the market. The futures were down approximately 500 points, so the market was going to open a lot lower. And I would definitely wait. If you're trying to buy this market, I would definitely wait. I think the machines will be selling in the morning, and you can actually pick up shares in the afternoon. So I think this may actually reverse, and not maybe not the whole thing, but reverse at least somewhat in the afternoon, as people will start to come down a lot more in the afternoon about the virus. And the the truth is that right now the possibility of spreading is not that high, according to U.S. officials, or at least medical officials in U.S. So, on the corporate side, here's what I'm looking at with the stocks like, for example, J&J. J&J chief scientist just came out and said that they can develop a vaccine for coronavirus, and that could be available in a couple of months, depending on how quickly it can get to the market. So J&J is not down too much, and actually, maybe it's good time to pick up J&J. As a matter of fact, I would be interested to buy all the healthcare and medical device stocks today. So stocks like CVS and WBA, which is Walgreens, and BHC, it's Bush Health, actually NVCR, Novocure, BMY, it's Bristol-Myers, and AbbVie. So all the stocks could be a good pickup this morning, because they are all related to handling viruses or coronavirus, and they're all talking and discussing it, and actually they have nothing to do with the epidemic. So I mean, people will not stop buy those medicines because of the coronavirus epidemic from those companies. So that's I think the healthcare and medical device companies are a good buy. Actually, I'm looking at three companies right now. It's Moderna. Moderna is the company that said that they have received a grant from I think from U.S. government to develop a vaccine against coronavirus, and also there is another company called the symbol stock INO, Inovio Pharmaceuticals, that's also has received the grants to develop this vaccine for coronavirus. So both stocks are higher. So again, MRNA and INO. So those stocks could be, both stocks could be actually pretty good buys. Another stock that's working on vaccine is NVAX, but I'm not sure, I'm not aware, Novavax. I'm not aware of them getting any grants from the government, but you have to check it out. Okay, there are a number of smaller companies that I'm looking at that are high a lot this morning. So for example, a company called stock symbol called LLIT, Lianluo. So that's a Chinese company that's developing protective gear and masks, and I mean, their main product is sleep apnea gears, but right now they're developing protective masks and protective gear in China and other hospital products. So obviously the demand for their products has increased. So the stock is up like, I don't know, like 80–90% pre-market. So that could be a good trade actually, if it drops a little bit in the maybe at the open. Okay, another company that I'm looking at that's related is Co-Diagnostics. Co-Diagnostics is developing kits for coronavirus detection. So obviously this company's demand for their product is higher, and this company is up pre-market a lot. Okay, another company, APHI. Let's see, APHI. AHPI, sorry, AHPI, Allied Health. Okay, Allied Health makes respiratory emergency and mass casualty products. Okay, so it's also a tiny company, but that's up pre-market a lot. Okay, and the last one that I'm looking at is NNVC. It's makes this company makes nanotechnology that specializes in antiviral treatments. So this company is up pre-market also a lot. So just look at that and see where it is. Okay, so I wouldn't buy anything at the open because the machines will be selling, and but there will be a lot of bargains today, especially in the technology sector, such as NVIDIA, MU, Micron, and AMAT, Applied Materials. So there will be a lot of bargains today. So watch for those bargains. Maybe you can pick up some in the afternoon, because I do believe that this could sell, definitely will sell hard in the morning, and the machines will be selling, but in the afternoon it could turn around a little bit. So I will be watching for this turn and preparing for this turn overall. So that's the wrap for the day, guys. I hope you have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.